Who's ever heard of innate intelligence? Raise your hand if you've heard of those words.
Separately, I've heard of them.
Separately? Innate and intelligence?
Yeah.
Your body has a God-given intelligence. The cells, the biology, the chemistry of your body. When you get a cut on your wrist, what's going to happen?
Bleeds to clean it out.
Uh-huh.
And then it heals.
It scabs up and it heals. You are a self-healing organism. It's amazing. It's a miracle. That is your innate intelligence. Your body knows what to do. You have acids in your stomach. If you're a little kid and you eat something you shouldn't be eating, the acids in your stomach are actually going to kill most of the bacteria to keep you safe. The miracle that our bodies are, it's like you don't even know. Bones are the strongest and lightest material known to man. They haven't found a way to create things as strong and light as bone. That's amazing, is it not?